Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check the interior camera on your XPeng vehicle. So I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now, if you want to open up your camera, what you guys want to do first is go over and tap on the apps. Here we will have the interior footage and we're gonna click on it. As you guys can see, I popped up on the screen. Now, what else can we do here? We can take a picture. So for example, we can do this and now we can click on the button. As you guys can see, it took the picture. So I did the same yesterday and we got two pictures. As you guys can see, now we're gonna leave the album. Of course, we have the video recording, so video recording works as well here. And also, you can use the SR assist. So here we can see that both of the cars are parked up next to me, and you can even see it on the camera. The red one right here and the other one on the other side. Now, what else can we do from here? We can easily open up our trunk, for example, so we can just go over, tap on the trunk, and as you guys can see now, if I click on this, now the trunk from the behind is opening, so we can close it the same way, and that's what you guys can do. This is really helpful, so you can use the SR assist with the interior footage, and that's it for the video. So that's how you guys can use the interior camera. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.